Hello, good evening. Noswaith croeso cynnes I chi gyd. So many successes to celebrate tonight. There are too many to mention, and we will do those this evening together.
Tonight we celebrate the success of our brilliant students and some of the fantastic organisations we are proud to work with. We really believe in the power of education and how we can propel someone to the future to do what they want or what they need. So tonight, celebrate in style, whoop and holler. Congratulations, your achievements are absolutely outstanding. I want to congratulate all the winners tonight. We're delighted to play a part in your success. So please all enjoy this evening. Have a good time. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Proud of you. We're so privileged to do the job that I do and to work with such wonderful people and to engage with people like you. Keep doing what you do best. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening.